What an amazing day in Southern California for me to take you inside the Filmotechnic Ukraine arm car. All right, but before I do that, let's introduce the elite team of technicians that bring this baby to life. Over here, we're gonna have my A-Camera First AC, Darren Necessary. We have our head tech, Ross. Up here, we have Kevin, who's gonna be our crane operator.
Going up a little bit, dropping down.
Making some adjustments on the arm. We have Chris Mosley, who is our A-Camera operator.
Hey, that was great, guys.
And then we have Chris Barrett here as our precision Porsche Cayenne driver.
3, 2, 1, move out now.
Okay, so now let's just go into a little history of this device. So this thing was created in 1996. The whole world was kind of changing. Our action movies were getting much more immersive. We were moving off of the traditional camera car, and all of a sudden we were taking remote heads, mounting robotic arms to the top of these cars and moving them at high speeds. I've used this on probably 9 to 10 of my feature films, and I absolutely love this device. It immerses the audience. Now, why this device? Well, let's kind of take a look at it. You can see it's completely flat black, so we don't have to worry about any kind of kicks or reflections, especially when we're doing like beautiful car commercials, these languid moves of traveling shots. All the headlights have Velcro on them, so we don't have to worry about any reflections in the front or the back of your vehicle. So these are all dialed in. Everything is matte black. When you go around the back, the same with the tail lights. All this stuff is pre-Velcroed and protected, all with dual lock. You have all these unique areas for you to jump up and work on and get intimate with this vehicle. So it's basically a Cayenne on acid, and they've souped it up. It goes to about 150 miles an hour.